In today's world of ever-advancing technology, having a smart thermostat can change the way you manage your home's energy usage. This Google Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd Gen brings a level of sophistication, intelligence, and style to your home that ensures comfort while maximizing energy efficiency. This review will dive deep into everything this smart thermostat has to offer, highlighting its key features and benefits that make it an essential device for anyone looking to save on their energy bills while maintaining a comfortable living environment. Click the link below to discover full product specifications and make your purchase today. What makes the Google Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd Gen stand out? The Nest Learning Thermostat isn't just a standard thermostat, it's a revolutionary way to control the temperature in your home. With advanced learning technology, a sleek design, and smart features that make managing your home's climate effortless, this thermostat is much more than meets the eye. Let's explore the key features that make the Nest Learning Thermostat a must-have. Number 1. Self-learning technology for energy savings. The Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd Gen learns your schedule and preferences. Over time, it observes your habits, adjusting the temperature automatically when you wake up, leave the house, or go to sleep. This self-learning feature ensures that you never waste energy by heating or cooling an empty home. Number 2. Home Away Assist, a smarter way to save. The Home Away Assist feature is another standout of the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. When you leave home, the thermostat automatically switches to an eco-temperature, saving energy and reducing your bills. This feature ensures your heating or cooling systems aren't running when no one is home, optimizing your home's efficiency without any extra effort. Number 3. Energy History. Track your usage. With the Energy History feature, you can check the Nest app or the thermostat display to see how much energy you've used and why. This insightful data helps you understand how changes in temperature affect your energy consumption, empowering you to make more informed decisions about your home's energy use. Number 4. Voice control with Google Assistant and Alexa. One of the best features of the Google Nest Learning Thermostat is its compatibility with Google Assistant and Alexa. You can adjust your home's temperature with just your voice. Whether you're relaxing on the couch or cooking in the kitchen, you can make sure your home is always at the perfect temperature. Number 5. Sleek design with a high-resolution display. Not only is the Google Nest Learning Thermostat highly functional, but it's also a beautifully designed piece of technology. With a metal finish and high-resolution display, the thermostat looks great in any home. The display even features Farsight, which shows you the temperature, weather, or time when you walk into the room. It's a design that combines aesthetics and technology effortlessly. Number 6. Easy installation. You don't need to hire an expert to install the Nest Learning Thermostat. It's designed for easy installation, usually taking 30 minutes or less. The package comes with everything you need for installation, and the process is straightforward. Even if you've never installed a thermostat before, the Nest Learning Thermostat ensures that the process is as seamless as possible. Number 7. Compatibility with Nest Temperature Sensor. To ensure your home's comfort is perfect, the Nest Learning Thermostat can also be paired with a Nest Temperature Sensor, sold separately. This sensor helps you ensure that a specific room is always at the exact temperature you want, providing more targeted comfort and energy efficiency. Number 8. Support clean energy with Nest Renew. The Nest Renew feature enables you to support clean energy right from your home. It works with your Nest thermostat to prioritize your energy usage to times when cleaner or less expensive energy is available. This feature ensures that you are not only saving money, but also contributing to a cleaner environment. Conclusion. Should you buy the Google Nest Learning Thermostat? If you're looking to make your home smarter, more energy efficient, and more comfortable, the Google Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd Gen is the ideal solution. With its self-learning technology, energy-saving features, and smart home integration, this thermostat offers an exceptional experience. Whether you want to save on your energy bills, enhance your home's comfort, or enjoy hands-free control, the Nest Learning Thermostat has it all. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.